Have you ever wondered whether a chain on a motorcycle is worth keeping or should it be replaced? Here's a quick and easy way to check whether a chain is good or not, or should be replaced. Lay the chain down flat, as in flat, not on edge, flat. Lay the chain next to a straight edge, in this case, the crease in my garage floor, making sure that the two ends touch the crease in the floor, in this case, and see how much deflection there is. This chain has about 6 inches of deflection from straight, which means it's brand new. This is a brand new chain. 6 inches is brand new, 8 inches is okay, 10 inches is marginally okay, and anything beyond 10 inches means you've got a worn out chain. Replace it immediately. Actually, up into 8 to 10 inches, I replace them anyway, because I like to see things go out of here with a nice, fresh, strong, lubricated, unworn chain. So once again, chain flat, line it up on a straight edge, in my case, the crease in my floor, and check the deflection from the ends and the center, and 6 inches okay, 8 to 10 inches semi-okay, anything beyond 10 inches, replace it. I've had them come in here with 13, 14 inches of bow deflection, and that's definitely bad. So that's how you check a chain to see if it's okay.